Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making deviled eggs with candied bacon. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 6 eggs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, 1 1/4 teaspoons of dill relish, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika. For the candied bacon, you'll need 4 slices of bacon, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature before starting. Place your water in a pot, then bring to a boil. Now slowly add in your eggs one at a time. Allow your eggs to cook for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, turn off your heat, then run your eggs under cold water. Allow them to sit for 10 minutes before attempting to peel. To make your candied bacon, add your granulated sugar and brown sugar to a bowl. Now whisk until well combined. Coat each piece of bacon with your sugar mixture, then place on a wire rack. Transfer your rack to your preheated oven and allow your bacon to cook until crispy. Using a sharp knife, cut your eggs into halves, then place the yolk in a bowl. Now add the mayonnaise, relish, and mustard. Add the salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. Now place the filling in the egg halves, then lightly sprinkle with your paprika. Now top each egg with candied bacon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps making